Well, after putting the brakes on the rally and trade yesterday, and getting sub 13,500 for the equity markets, looks like we bounced back. That's what the opening trades definitely indicate. So starting off on a firm footing in the green, 0.5% for the frontline index, quoting above the 13,500 mark as it's making its way gradually to the 13,550 level. The Sensex up by about 200 points, and more importantly, the broader markets are definitely participating. You can see a strong degree of outperformance, a nice 1% move nearly for the mid and the small cap indices. Today it's a lot of support coming in from the PSEs. The PSU banks are doing very well. Metals as an index, FMCG contributing, as well as infrastructure. So in fact, all of your sectors have started off comfortably in the green. Taking it then to some of the nifty outperformers, ONGC on top of the heap, GAIL, and more importantly, we're tracking yesterday's casualty, that's UPL. Remember, yesterday on account of the whistleblower allegations, the stock took a hefty knock, double digits in trade, was below all of its daily moving averages. The company clarified on ET now that those issues have been resolved. They were 4 years ago old, and now today yesterday as well, they had another conference call, and they did put out their clarification saying that this has been legally resolved. And I think that seems to have assuaged some concerns. The stock has gotten off to a fairly decent start, building onto its gains now, so 2.5% thereabouts. UPL quoting at 450. NTPC, Hindalco, IOC, Tata Steel, Ultratech, which was hammered yesterday. ITC is at about 215. Titan, Hero Moto, SBI Life, those are some of the stocks holding out in the green. It's just about 10 stocks to the losing end. Infosys, Adani Ports, Asian Paints is a bit weak, 0.5% down. Axis Bank, Cipla, etc. Those are some of the stocks that are under a bit of pressure in today's trading session. Well, apart from UPL, you've got some of the other news makers. You've got something like SpiceJet. They've tied up with Om Logistics and Snowman. This is for a COVID vaccine transportation. Ircon has bagged the upgradation of a section of the NH352 hybrid annuity mode. You've got Gayatri Projects getting some LOAs. PNC Infra, letter of acceptance from the water supply project. So that's keeping all of these stocks in focus. As I said, there's a lot of resilience within the broader universe, and you definitely have outperformance coming in. Take a look at All Cargo, that's doing quite well today. Mahindra Logistics, it seems like Aegis Logistics, VRL Logistics, this entire logistics basket is up in trade today. Sundaram Clayton in the green, ONGC powering through. You've got something like Vakrangi, SpiceJet as well as in the green, up by about 5% or so. Canara Bank, Lemon Tree Hotels, IIFL Finance, those are some of the stocks gaining traction. On the flip side, Adani Green loses out, TeamLease is in the red, Schaeffler India, Godrej Properties down 1%, DLF down about 0.6%, Tata Motors, Nestle, Infosys, Sterlite Tech, L&T Tech, those are some of the stocks losing out, but all in all, a healthy start today.